Hello everyone, and in today's video we're going to be unpackaging this beautiful 2015 Ford Focus dual clutch kit. Yeah, this bad boy is $1,000 right here. Enjoy. As for transmission fluid, this is the fluid that I was recommended to use. It takes 1.8 quarts, and it's actually pretty expensive too. Now, as for the kit itself, this is the brand that Ford uses. This is what you want to use. Don't use the knockoff brands. Question is why? That's because you'll be changing it again. Nicely packaged. So here we go. This is what we have here. This is the clutch kit assembly. This is how it looks like when it's assembled. It looks differently when it's disassembled. We'll take a closer look at mine when I disassemble it. As for the second package, the bolts. We have our forks here. Oops, don't want to lose on this stuff. I'm not going to unpackage it really, but let's take a closer look. This is a B clutch fork because it is narrower. And this is the A clutch fork because it is wider. Can't say what really happened to mine yet. I'm going to talk about it when we take it apart. And this is dual clutch release forks bearing. Once again, Luke brand is what you need.